Morning students, previous videos listen you have discussed about eddy current, self-inductions and mutual inductions. It is not enough of EMF. Today we are going to discuss about methods of producing induced EMF. What are the method of producing induced EMF? Before going for discussing, we must know what is the EMF. EMF is nothing but it is electromotive force. What is the nature force? What is the work of force? As the name indicates, the EMF is electromotive force, but it is not force. It is a work, energy supply to the charge carries to move around the circuit. It is a work to move the unit positive charge one terminal to another terminal. So, which is the work or energy which makes the charge carries in motion. So, it is a works and energy. It is not the force. The electromotive forces is necessary for producing induced current. What are the sources of EMF? The sources of EMF are electrochemical cells, thermoelectrical device, solar cells, and electrical generator, etc. The electrical generators are producing induced current, the most powerful machine. In this use of electric generator, our day-to-day life, maximum number of the places. How is works on electrical generator? We must basic concept. What are the method producing induced EMF? Come to the C. Methods of producing induced EMF. According to Faraday's law of the electromagnetic inductions, an EMF is induced in a circuit when the magnetic flux linked with a changes. This EMF is called a induced EMF. We know that Faraday's law. The induced EMF is equal d phi b divided by dt. D by dt is equal to the rate of change of time. E is equal d by dt. The values are phi b. The phi b value is equal b a cos theta. Everyone know. It is clear that by changing the magnetic field B, by changing the area A of the coil, by changing the relative orientation theta of the coil with magnetic field. The three changes, the first changes, the changing the magnetic field B, the second one by changing the area A of the coil, the third one by changing the relative orientation theta of the coil with the magnetic field. First changes, induction of EMF by changing the magnetic field. This is one of the circuit of flowing of the current. And EMF is induced in a circuit on change the magnetic flux of the field through it. The change in magnetic flux is brought about by the relative motion between circuit and the magnet. This is a first law of the Faraday experiment. What about the telling the first law of Faraday's? Whenever the magnetic field linked with a closed circuit changes, an EMF is induced in the circuit. The second variations. The variation in a current, the flowing through the nearby coil. This is one of the coil and nearby neighboring coil. Is a variable between the variation of the current and flowing the EMF. The second experiment. Next is second changes. The inductions of the EMF by changing the area of the coil. Consider a conducting rod AB. The length L. A moving with a velocity V. Towards left on the rectangular metallic frame show the figure. The whole arrangement is placed in the uniform magnetic field. B vector, whose the magnetic lines are perpendicular directed into the plane of the paper. Now the rod move from AB to DC in the time dt. The area enclosed by the loop, hence the magnetic flux through the loop decreases. Magnetic flux d phi b is equal magnetic field into change in area ABCD. d pi b is equal b into area ABCD. Hence ABCD value is equal to length of the rod, velocity, time taken dt. d pi b is equal b, area of the values LV dt. Or another way, d pi by dt is equal BLV. The magnitude of induced EMF E is equal d pi b divided by dt. E is equal BLV. This is EMF is motional EMF. The directions of the induced current is found to by the clockwise from Fleming right hand rule. Third, changes induction of the EMF by changing relative orientation of the coil with magnetic field. Consider a rectangular coil of n turn. Keeping the uniform magnetic field B vector. Show the figure. This coil is rotated in the anti-clockwise directions with an angular velocity omega about an axis perpendicular to the field. The uniform magnetic field flowing in the coil has a maximum linkage phi m is equal BA. The pi m is equal BA magnetic flux area of the coil. At the time t is equal to 0, the plane of the coil perpendicular. In a time t seconds, the coil is rotated through angle theta is equal to omega t. This coil is a vertical positions. The vertical position mention of the sin theta, the horizontal position mention of the cos theta. Now the time is the instance. In these positions of the coil, horizontal component of a normal to the magnetic flux phi m is equal cos omega t. The one more component have the component of parallel to the plane of the coil phi m is equal to sin omega t. The vertical positions. Therefore, the magnetic flux linkage at the deflected n phi b is equal n phi m cos omega t. The induce of EMF E is equal minus d by dt, number of the turn in the coil phi m, d minus of d by dt n phi m maximum magnetic flux cos omega t. Sin omega t is a neglect. That is equal differential this formula cos omega t minus of constants values n phi m, the differential of cos minus of sin omega t into omega. Here E is equal minus into minus plus n maximum magnetic flux omega sin omega t. The maximum EMF is equal n phi m omega. Here values of pi m is equal BA, magnetic flux into area of the coil. The maximum EMF EM is equal number of the turn, magnetic flux, area of the coil, rotation of the angle omega. EM is equal N B A W. The Faraday's law of EMF, the values of induced EMF at instance is given by the formula E is equal EM sin omega t. The coil is rotations. The first, the time t is equal to 0. The angle is equal to omega t is equal to 0. Here the 0. The position of the coil perpendicular. The rotation of the coil maximum values 0 to 90. Omega t is equal to pi by 2. Sin 90 is equal to 1. The induced EMF E is equal to EM sin 91. Again the rotation of the coil 180. Omega t is equal to pi. E is equal EM into sin pi. Sin 180 is equal to 0. induce the EMF is equal to 0. The rotation of the coil parallel to the coil. E is equal to Em sin 3 pi by 2. The position is equal to 270. E is equal to minus of Em. The maximum values of negative. The position of the coil perpendicular. E is equal to Em sin 2 pi. Sin of 360. The EMF is equal to 0. The value is equal to 0. Here the positions, the maximum current I is equal Im into sin omega t. The maximum current induced the coil I is equal Im sin omega t. Maximum value of induced current. In this induced EMF varies the sine function of the time angle omega t. The graph between induced EMF and the time angle of one rotation of the coil will be sine curve, and EMF varying in this manner is called sinusoidal EMF or alternating EMF. In this, alternating voltage is given to the closed circuit. Yes, sinusoidal varying the current flow each. This current is called alternating current and is given by I is equal to Im sin omega t. This is the maximum value of induced